baby busy.
Morning, love! Pata, sibuyas, Spanish, sardines.
The spiciness is good. Abile, what you doing, baby?
Wala.
Well, what you doing, baby love?
I'm busy.
You busy?
Yes.
Hmm.
I am working.
I'ma come see what you're doing. Let me see what you're doing. Oh, my baby busy. Hmm? Can you tell them what you're doing? I see you got too much. You working? Aw. Maybe I need to. How you want me to assist you? Hmm?
It's okay, baby.
It's okay. Good. At least give everybody a smile.
Good morning, my loves! Guys, bumibili tayo ng pangluto natin ng ulam. 45 for 5. Meron tayong patatas, sibuyas. Yan. Thank you po. So you like this? Spanish sardines. Guys, so ito ang ulam namin for today. Yan mo. Baka nagtataka kayo bakit dito ako nagluluto, bakit ganito yung lutuan namin, kasi po nandito po kami sa tindahan. So yung mga gamit po namin nasa bahay, yung tagtaran, yung magandang kutsilyo, lahat ng gamit namin nasa bahay.
The spiciness is good.
What you got?
Got some barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah,
Wow, this is a lot.
yeah, there's one for Tommy.
For Tommy.
Yeah, but we're not delivery likes it.
And then they gave you
That's for
this
you.
for
You
me.
like the vinegar, I don't.
Uh-huh. Thank you, love.
Come from Tommy. I'm gonna pass it in front of.
Yeah.
You see?
There.
The next day.
Ano yan, be? Meron. Ganito pagkain ni Daddy D araw-araw. Iba-iba. So, meron siya ditong munggo. Tapos may kalderetang baboy. Halo-halo siya, guys. Tapos kailangan laging may sabaw. Samantalang ako, ito, tsaka isda. Ang ilalagay ko. Munggo, isda. Pero si Daddy D, kailangan iba-iba yung pagkain niya. How was the taste?
Good.
Good? Oh my God.
A few moments later.